You know websites are easier than you think. All you need is a code editor and 10 lines of HTML code. The code editor is a tool that allows you to edit and write computer code. Examples are Sublime Text, VS Code, and Atom. I personally use VS Code because it's lightweight and is the best. Let's quit talking and go into the actual code. At this point, all we need to do is just create an HTML file. Name it something like u.html. So inside this u.html, we're going to create simple tags. So the first one is an HTML tag, HTML. So that's the first tag that we're always going to do in HTML. The first tag is always HTML tag. And notice something about this. So it does the first one and the second one. So each HTML element has first tag, which is called opening tag, and second tag, which is called closing tag. So as you can look at this, we can literally add elements inside. So think of each of the tags like containers, to be honest. So let's add something like a head. So this head now, you can add a title inside. So the title is typically the name of the website. So imagine you go to a Microsoft website, then you see the title as Microsoft website. Or you go to Gucci, you see at the top of the tab, you see like a small Gucci, like it's a Gucci name. So that's the name of the title. So you can name it anything. So let's typically name it our name. So Henry. So the next one is the body tag. So think of this like a human being. After the head, you would then have the body. So inside this body, this is everything that the user can see. So every single content inside there. So now, let's now open this H1. So an H1 is the first header. So you can have H2, H3, H4. So the lower is going, the smaller it will be. So this H1 now, we can now add content inside. So we want to add a header. So this is my first header. This is my first header. Then the next thing we want to add now is a paragraph. So P tag. So this P tag is typically paragraph for things like content, description, and other things like that. So you can typically add this P tag inside. So there's a shortcut in VS Code where you can add a very, very long text. It's called a lorem text. So let's say lorem ipsum and enter, and to generate this fake content for us. So when we run it, I can right click and open with live server. Then we can see our website.